Good morning. So today I'm going to be making up some mushroom soup using the mushroom soup starter that we did up just the other day. So I'm going to pour that jar into my pot there. I'm just going to get it warming up. And I'm going to open up my can of coconut milk because this is what I'm using. I'm just using a can of coconut milk. You can use any type of milk you want for this. It doesn't matter. Half and half cream, evaporated milk, whole milk, almond milk. Doesn't matter. Use whatever you wish to use. What is this? 400? Yeah, 400 milliliters there. That is just going to go in there. I need this spoon. This will work. Okay. We're just going to let this get warm. And while that gets warm, I'm going to make a cornstarch slurry. So I will be back in just a moment. Okay. Oh! Let's bring you back over. I tripped. Okay. Now, anyway. So this is now warmed up, and I have my cornstarch slurry made up. And yes, I just used the can. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour this in. I normally always make too much cornstarch slurry when I do this stuff, but that's okay. I'd rather have too much made up than not enough. Because I hate having to go back and make more. Now, I personally don't need this super thick, but I do need it a little bit thicker. See, and doesn't that look like cream of mushroom soup? Perfect. Yes. Rich and creamy. And there we go. And if we wanted to, you could just serve this up with some crackers. Oh, and have a lovely lunch. I used to have this all the time. Mushroom soup with crackers and normally some kind of sandwich with it. But yes, but that's not what we're doing with it today. I'll show you guys in the next video what I'm doing with it. But there you go. That is how you can take that mushroom soup starter and turn it into cream of mushroom soup. That is however you want it. In my case, dairy-free. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys again really soon. So until next time, bye.